everyone, myself Ganga Bhagirathi. I am studying in 10th standard in Vidyalan School. So today in this video, I will be explaining you about the chapter How do organisms reproduce. So before going to our concept, I would like to give a short description about reproduction. So reproduction is the process of giving birth to the same kind of species. So reproduction is the only process which is essential for the continuation of the generation. So it is not a part of life, or it's a parent's wish or their desire for the process of reproduction. So reproduction can be divided into two types, that is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So today in this video I will be giving you an explanation about only asexual reproduction. So in asexual reproduction, which means in this process only one parent involvement is required. So asexual reproduction can be divided into further more steps, or it has 6 modes of reproduction. That is, the first one is fission. So the name itself says that fission, which means dividing or breaking down. So the fission can also be divided into two types, that is binary fission and multiple fission. So in this binary fission, an organism which is known as the amoeba divides into two daughter cells. So the binary, which means two, fission means breaking down. So the parent amoeba divides itself into two cells, and when the two cells are mature enough, they get divided into two cells, and each cell grows into a new individual. So in multiple fission, an organism like Plasmodium gets divided into multiple cells, or it gets divided into simultaneously, and when all the cells are mature enough to grow into a new individual, then it ruptures, it breaks, and it releases all the cells, and each cell grows into a new individual. Only in this multiple fission the parent cell will die, but in all other reproductions the parent cell also survives while giving birth to the offspring of the same kind. So the next mode of reproduction in asexual reproduction is fragmentation. In this we can know about an organism like Spirogyra. So this is a shape of a Spirogyra which are mostly found in water, and this Spirogyra divides into fragments, pieces. You can see clearly in this picture, and each fragment grows into a new individual when they are mature enough. And the next one is regeneration. In this regeneration, we will learn about an organism like Planaria. So in this regeneration, when a Planaria